been playing saloon piano in Snake City for 3 years. It was the roughest town in the West. I mean, we had some mean customers.
Howdy, Rolf.
Hello, Miss Kitty. I mean, they were tough. After 3 years, I thought I'd seen it all. I'd seen the Clanton brothers, the Younger brothers, the James brothers, not to mention the Osmond brothers. But when Kid Fozzie came to town, I knew I hadn't seen nothing.
All right, everybody, reach for the floor.
Beg pardon?
Reach for the floor. This is a stick down.
You're confused, kid. You ain't got no guns. Those are pickles.
That's right, folks. There he is, the fastest gherkin in the West.
You got a license to carry them pickles?
Hey, when you get shot by a pickle at close range, do you get garlic burns?
All right, you asked for it.
Sorry, kid. I didn't know the pickles were loaded. Here's your money.
All right, kid, don't make a move. I got you covered. Throw down your pickles.
Okay. I don't need guns to fight you. I'll get you with my knife.
You stop with the vegetables.
Oh, you shouldn't have done that. I'm a desperate bear, ready for desperate measures.
Oh, no!
It's an apple.
Then don't tell me.
Yes, the fuse is lit. The fuse is lit?
And that's how it was the day Kid Fozzie came into town.